That's gonna be wonderful on camera. Snort.
Team South Africa. Wow. Huh? What you making?
Banana.
Panang. Masaman. Khao soi.
Welcome to the demonstration table where we were shown how to make each dish and given our portioned out ingredients. Poo, 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 poo. Let's get something cooking.
You remember all? Yep.
The steps were very simple but quite fast paced. So here we are about to make a soup, and hopefully we remember all the steps in the right order. This cream-based soup is called tom kha. I decided to go for shrimp. It was surprisingly fast to cook, and the others made chicken. And here's the preparation for spring rolls.
And I'm passing you the white pepper powder for team spring roll. If you like it, you put few shakes in here. Okay. 1 teaspoon palm sugar and a quarter spoon of the dark soy sauce.
We made 2 spring rolls each, and we kind of learned how to roll them correctly. Except for me, I did not roll them correctly, but I tried.
Done. Beautiful.
Not good shape.
Good. You see, my one only 4 bites. You have 6.
Here we are back to cooking the soup. We kind of dovetailed the processes. That's why it's soup, spring roll soup. And we're about to sit down and enjoy the soup and the spring rolls as an appetizer. Mine may have looked a little bit odd, but they tasted just as delicious as everyone else's. Or at least that's what I like to tell myself.
And put the coconut cream. Okay, just like so.
So in my previous videos, I showed you those blue flowers, and now it's had coconut cream poured over, and that is simmering for our dessert while we make our curry, as you can see the ingredients here.
Look at this. Oh, look at the color. Cover one hand pounding. When you pound, bring the molten towel closer to you. Don't go there and pound like that.
At the same time, Kuni. At the same time.
Let's put the mix with that.
Oh, it just smells like biltong. This is so good.
It took a while to make the paste, but it was very worth it.
Canada, khao soi, mango sticky rice.
All in all, we had a great time learning how to cook Thai food, and there was more than enough to fill up on this day. And we were given recipe books with our names in Thai.
To clean, to nice, to clean. You are now Thai cooking class chefs.
Look at these giant lily pads that we saw on the way out. You probably saw them in the first video already, but I thought to share again. They're huge.
Super giant temple. Shiny.
Once we got back to town, we went for a walk, got a massage, and then walked around a little bit to go and get some Indian food. Here we are just relaxing in the town, looking at these little fishies right outside the restaurant, and then having some chow.
Smile Indian food.
What are you doing?
Sticky straw.
It's duck milk.
Dit is duck milk met mango.
Mango duck milk.
Maar dit is nie regtig duck milk nie.
Overall, we had a really good day learning how to make some Thai food and enjoying eating it, of course. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.